Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn about how to create our first Grafana dashboard. Okay, so I got Grafana open here. This is a local Grafana. So username is username is admin. Login, skip this. So the first step is to make sure that you have a data source. So in this video, we're going to use a test data source that comes with Grafana when you install it. Or in case it's not installed, you can go to this option here, add new connection, and then you can look for test data source, this test data. Okay, so it's actually already added, but let me see what happens if I add it again. Okay, so you can add it again, but it will have a -1 at the end. Okay, let me actually just save and test. So I'm actually going to use this because you can use another test data source. But if I go here, let me discard here, home, actually here, data source, I do have it already here. But since I have this one that I just added, I'm going to use the one with -1 at the end. Okay, so going back to home, dashboards, and here I'm going to click the new button, new dashboard, and it says start your new dashboard by adding a visualization. I'm gonna go ahead and click add visualization, and I'm gonna select the one that I just added, test data. And we can see that there is this panel called time series, right? By default, Grafana will choose time series as the panel. So we got this fake simulated data. And right now, the data source that is selected is the one that I just added earlier. So test data, the one with -1 at the end. So I'm gonna select that again. And here, with this test data as your data source, you don't have the query option. What you have is actually scenario. So I'm going to select random walk as the scenario, and alias, you can actually just type alias test. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it works. So the alias name is alias test. Okay, and I'm going to name my panel as random walk demo. And we see the name here, random walk demo. Save dashboard, and we can say my first dashboard. Save. Back to dashboard. And here you can resize it, put it in the middle. Okay, so that's how easily you can create your first Grafana dashboard. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.